Civic Education Year 6. Topic: Reasons for National Honors Award, Patriotism and Outstanding Feats. In this lesson, you will learn about the reasons for National Honors Awards. Let's begin. Here is a short story. Some time ago, a school was preparing for a sports competition with many other schools. There would be football, sprints and dashes, and table tennis games. The schools nominated students to represent them in the competition. Every school worked hard, practiced and prepared to win. But before any game would start, the competing students would come out to sing their school's anthem. Each time they sang the school's anthem, the students would stand straight with arms by their side, alert and at attention. The students were rather proud of their school's anthem. It was a way to identify that they were from a particular school. What do you think this shows? I think it shows something called patriotism, which is spelled P-A-T-R-I-O-T-I-S-M. Patriotism is a show of love for one's country. It means the things that you do to show love and respect for your country. Now, when the game started, the students worked at their best and hardest, simply giving it their all. Everyone wanted to win, but there was a student from a particular school that was simply outstanding. No matter what anyone did to compete, she came out above all. She won the table tennis games and came first in the race competition. She won the race in the fastest time and made a new record. It was truly an outstanding feat. At the end of the games, after prizes were given to the winners and other high-performing contestants, there was a special prize for the student that outperformed everyone else in the games. Do you know why this student was given a special prize? She was given a special prize because of her outstanding performance at the games. What does this mean in comparison to the National Honors Awards? Well, one of the reasons for the National Honors Award is patriotism. In the story I just shared with you, the students showed their patriotism for their school as they sang their school's anthem and worked rather hard to make their school proud through great performances. Everyone can also show patriotism to their country by obeying the laws, showing respect for the national anthem and other national symbols, showing respect for the leaders and fellow citizens. A second reason for giving or receiving a National Honors Award is when an individual performs outstandingly or performs a great feat. In the story, the student who performed better than everyone else received a special prize. In the same way, the government can also give special awards to individuals who are excellent and outstanding in their areas of profession. In the 1996 Olympic Games, for example, Chioma Ajunwa, a Nigerian athlete, became the first African woman to win an Olympic gold medal in a field event. It was an outstanding feat, and because of that, she was given a National Honors Award. So, if you desire to receive a National Honors Award, you have to be patriotic to the country through hard work and diligent practice in whatever you do. This is the end of the lesson. I will ask you some questions. Answering these questions correctly will show you how much you've learned already. Here you go. Question 1. Dash is one of the reasons the government gives National Honors Awards to citizens. A. Stubbornness. B. Patriotism. C. Corruption. D. Anger. If you chose option B, you're very correct. Patriotism is one of the reasons the government gives National Honors Awards to its citizens. Question 2. All these are ways you can show patriotism to your country except dash. A. Respecting the national anthem. B. Respecting the leaders and other people. C. Insulting the leaders. D. Obeying the laws. Alright, this should also be quite simple. So, if you chose option C, then you're absolutely correct. Great! Now, let's learn some new words in the lesson. Outstanding. Something that is excellent, exceptional, and superb. Example, the students had outstanding results in their last common entrance examinations. Feat. An achievement, something that requires skill and hard work. Example, The student of the school graduated with the best result in the common entrance examination. It was a great feat. That was an interesting and informative lesson, wasn't it? I think it was. You will learn more interesting things in the next lesson. Until then, bye for now.